Welcome to the Hazard Perception video series. Today we're going to practice the third clip of this series together. Before starting the video, I would like to share some important tips with you. If you're driving on residential streets where there are many parked cars, you need to be careful, as someone might open a door suddenly in front of you. That's why you must keep watching for any movement. There could also be children playing nearby and chasing a football, or anything onto the road. So you have to watch for that kind of movement as well. Check for reflections and movement in mirrors and windows. Even a shadow can warn you that someone is inside a parked car and about to move. So you have to be very cautious and actively look for those signs. Drive at a safe speed, especially in these areas, and keep scanning both sides. Not only looking ahead, but also checking the pavements and the sides. Stay alert, and if you keep watching for all these things when driving in these areas, you'll be prepared and able to anticipate hazards in advance. So let's start our video now. As you can see, this is a residential street, and there are many parked cars here. So I have to keep looking, keep scanning the sides and ahead. I must look for any movement, such as children coming onto the road, a ball rolling across, or a pedestrian walking across. So as you can see, this is a crossroad. I have to be very cautious here. I can see some pedestrian walking, so I've registered my click. I think the pedestrians walking on the road is an extra hazard in this scenario, but let's just review the video now. You have to keep watching, but there was no hazard here. No movement, nothing to respond to. At this point, you can see the pedestrians, but we don't know if they're about to cross the road or move to the side. So at this moment, wasn't a hazard yet, until you realize that they are actually about to cross the road. As you can see here, even if they are turning, you still need to consider them a hazard because they're close to your car at the crossroad. That's when you should register your clicks, so that if it becomes a developing hazard, you don't miss the chance to score. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to keep watching and subscribe. Thanks a lot.